Respiration. First thoughts. Most students in Dutch bilingual school will one day experience what it is like to participate in a student exchange program. During such an exchange, students from a foreign country will visit your school. Maybe you will even welcome one of these students to your home so he or she can get to know the Dutch culture. After a while, your class will visit the other country and you might stay in your exchange student's home. In order to get to know the culture of the country, they visit your countries and you visit their country. An exchange between students. Inside your lungs, another very important exchange takes place. An exchange of gases. What is air? The composition of air is inhaled air and exhaled air is not the same. Let's look at oxygen. Inhaled air contains 21% oxygen, but when you exhale, there's only 17% of it. Where did the remaining 4% go? Now let's look at carbon dioxide. Even though inhaled air contains 0.04%, there is 100 times more of this gas when you exhale. Where did all the extra carbon dioxide come from? And also, where did all the extra water vapor come from? Please look at the graph. Cellular respiration. You learned that fire uses wood as fuel and burns this with the help of oxygen to produce energy in the form of heat and light. You also learned that your cells use glucose as fuel and burn this with the help of oxygen to produce energy and live and grow. What happened to the oxygen in both processes? It is used up during the burning process, so exhaled air contains less oxygen. Besides energy, fire also produces a waste product, smoke, which contains carbon dioxide. Our cells also produce waste, not smoke, though this waste also contains carbon dioxide. And what about the water vapor? This is another waste product resulting from burning glucose. Gas exchange. The carbon dioxide and water that your cell produce during respiration is carried back to your lungs via bloodstream. Similarly, oxygen from inhaled air in your lung travels via the bloodstream towards the cell. But where does the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen take place? It all happens in the alveoli. The wall of alveoli is just one cell layer thick. Alveoli are surrounded by many tiny blood vessels. These are the lung capillaries. See figure 1.8. These capillaries then connect to large blood cells called veins, which bring the blood through the lungs. The wall of the cup is also just one cell layer thin. This means that oxygen, O2, inside an alveolus can easily pass in your bloodstream. The carbon dioxide, CO2, can easily pass out your bloodstream into the alveoli. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rising Critics.